Right. Good morning, everyone. So last class we have trying to discuss about what are the different what are the possible different compiled errors we can get from a program, right? So yesterday our target is learning errors to become better than yesterday and to become self-learner or independent learner. So learning errors is most important. If you take any of your grandparents or grandparents or elders, if you go and talk to them, they will reply wonderful statement. Array, your age is not equal to my experience. Right? Ee vayas na anubhavam anta ledara nuvu naaku cheptava. What the meaning of your age is not equal to my experience? How did they get experience? They got experience by committing so many mistakes. Understand? Experience means faced many problems and provided solutions to many problems. Then people are called what? Experience. So if you want to be experienced developer, then you have to face many problems, many test cases. When you not learn many errors and many test cases, you cannot be considered as a experienced. Just now, 7 o'clock batch student, one person come and meet me. After this entire explanation completed, he come and ask me, sir, yesterday I attended one interview. After the interview completed, he asked me, Ray, tell me really, are you fresher or experienced? So what is our answer? We are experienced freshers. We are HK product. We know everything what working employees knows. Everything we know. Interviewer expecting from fresher only a small definition and next answer immediately, I don't know. What expectation? One definition, next question I don't. Second definition, third question I don't know. So I don't know more expecting from the freshers. But when you're giving every question answer, interviewer face confused. Say, you feel that you fresher experience, he will face. He will feel like that. So if you learn every point what I am explaining, definitely you will get job. And then that interviewer told, okay, then let me ask some questions from advanced Java. Sorry, advanced Java not started yet. I am learning core Java, half only completed. Okay, then complete fully and come back. So your job is available. So please learn every point, whatever instructions I am giving you here. If you follow, implement my instructions blindly, 100% getting job is easy. Currently, number of openings are less. Okay, openings are less. But once you get opportunity to attend interview, 100% you will get job. Believe me, follow me. Okay. Sudhir, I will teach you what is public static, void main, everything. Will you guarantee me tomorrow onwards you will continue class? If you teach those topics now, 100% I am assuring tomorrow onwards you will not come. Pakka. I'll write on a bond paper. Public comes under 4th chapter. Static comes under 5th chapter. You are asking me to teach 4th, 5th chapter. Void comes under 6th chapter. You are asking me to teach next coming chapters today. We are in 1st chapter. You are asking me to teach next chapters. What do you want to say? And you are experienced, I am experienced. Chepra Sudhir. If I'm not talking something means you cannot understand. Okay. It's not YouTube class, right? It is not YouTube. For views purpose, I am not teaching. No, I'm not teaching here for the already completed people. YouTube videos are for the students who already completed Java and only for giving some clarity to the already completed people. You are freshers. Just now you are doing baby steps. You are just started balancing, but I am beating you backside to run. Okay, na? Not possible. So silently follow me. Don't show your overaction talents. Can I expect everyone have completed yesterday that 30 questions? Yeah. Everyone? Only 30 you got or more than 30? Counting 30, 30 completed. Stop. I said minimum 30, not maximum 30. Okay? So I'm expecting you all completed. I'm not verifying your assignment. It's up to you. You want happy life, rich life, luxurious life, you have to complete the given assignments. You want to lead the same poor life, the same begging life. Currently, you are in begging life only, no? Every month, first week, you are begging your father for next month money, no? You want to continue the same begging life, then don't study, don't practice. I'm not going to check your assignment. Morning, one student sent message, sir, where I can post my assignment? No need to post anywhere. It is up to you. Your heart will tell you did right or wrong. Understand my point? When you got some doubts, you can post your doubts to me. We will discuss either in the class or after class, your wish. Okay, now during class or after class, we'll discuss. But completing assignment, it is your headache, not my headache. I'll give you assignments. Okay, done. Today, we are going to start our next chapter. Let's see, is there any topic pending as part of our syllabus? /R/F, try yourself. And if you got doubt, ask. So what is Java? Why Java? Who invented? What are softwares required to develop Java? Installing Java software, essential statements, steps to develop program 1, more programs, escape sequence characters, solving compile time, runtime errors, compiler and JVM activities. Compiler takes source code, source file name as an argument. Argument means input. Read the source code, verify syntaxes, no mistakes, convert it to bytecode. Next, JVM, take the bytecode, read the bytecode, take the class name as argument, search for the .class file with the given class. If found, then read the bytecode. Execution starts from main method. Whatever write in the main method, that is executed. Okay, let me explain quickly JVM architecture basics. Right? JVM architecture basics. JVM architecture basics. First point, what is a JVM? Right. JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. Machine at a computer, no? Computer, na? A computer or laptop is nothing but what? Machine. This machine is created in our computer virtual. Do you know video games? Video game, one car game if you play, the real car is created in the computer logically, na? That logical representation of a computer is called what? Virtual machine. More details I'll explain as part of JVM architecture. Currently, what you are understanding? Basics, not details, just understanding purpose only. So JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. Next, what is JVM? I am not asking what is the abbreviation of JVM. I'm asking what is JVM. JVM is a Java platform. JVM is a Java platform, comma. What is it? Software. What software? It is a translation software. It converts bytecode to, tell me, JVM running the bytecode by its own with the help of OS. Any program will be executed by OS only. Adaksha, understand? Every program is executed by OS only. Now, JVM executes Java bytecode with the help of OS. Sir, when OS can execute every program, why in the middle JVM is there? Java program converted into which format? Bytecode. Is bytecode understandable to OS? No. What language you know? Hindi. You came to which state? Andhra, Telangana. Andhra, Telangana state know Hindi? No. What is our language? Telugu. Of course, we know, but we don't speak. Okay. So what was our native language? Telugu. Can you understand Telugu? No. So what am I doing? I am converting my Telugu to your understandable language, Hindi, or common language what? English. If I want live or stay in any of the states available in our India or any country available in this world, I should learn specific language of state or common language of all states and countries. What is the common language? English. Tell me now, if our Java program want to be executed in all operating systems, I should take the operating system specific language or common language? Common language. Suppose I am Andhra person. Okay, Andhra, Telangana, Telugu person. Now, suddenly I got a job, on-site opportunity to Japan. Okay, now I'm going to Japan tomorrow. Now I land there in Japan land, in the airport. Okay. Now the moment I trying to catch one taxi there to go to my hotel, and tell me now, I am going on talking, Babu, taxi kadramma. Okay. Ee hotel తీసుకెళ్ళంటే, if I say in Telugu, can he understand my Telugu? Then what I require? English also you cannot understand, because Japan people like only their native language, Japanese. What I require? I know Telugu, I know English. Telugu, nobody knows. English, some people know. Now I want to talk to Japanese people. If I say in English, Babu taxi, hello taxi, please come here. I want to go to this XYZ hotel. Can he take me to there? No. He will look at me and say, Ohayo gozaimasu. Means he will say only hi. Ohayo gozaimasu means in Japanese what? Hi. Sir, how do you know Japanese, sir? My client is from Japan. Okay. My client is Sony. Sony, you know? Sony ra re evudro nu evurra meede. Sony TV there, no? Sony music systems are there, na? Sony electronic device company is there, na? That Sony company, we develop a software. Sony company is manufacturing semiconductor. Semiconductor means if you want to run your electronic devices, semiconductor is required. That semiconductor manufacturing project we developed for Sony company. So I got an opportunity to work with the Sony company who is belongs to Japan. Then my company has provided training on Japanese. First day I went with lot of excitement so that I can go to Japan for next year for on-site. Then first day my Japanese teacher came. Hi everyone, try to tell me along with me. Ohayo gozaimasu. What is that? Ohayo gozaimasu. Okay, repeated. That one word only finally I learned. Okay, second day jump, no Japan. Okay, that language, Japanese language, I felt very difficult because my pronunciation, my brain is not accepted. And tell me, because my brain is not accepted, is it difficult? No, for me it is difficult. Not for all. My other team members, some of the people have enjoyed that language and they learned and went to the Japan. I felt poor Japanese, all I don't come, I'll work from here. So what is tough? If you feel something is tough, it is not really tough, sir. Java is tough? No, you are not liking it. Once you like it, you will learn. I didn't feel go to Japan, working in Japan is important for me. Because if I go to Japan, who will teach Java to you? Yes or no? My target is different. My target is not on-site. My target to be in USA, United States of Amirpet. If I am in USA, not America, Amirpet. Ayyo. See, in this USA, these many different state people are coming here. Listen carefully. If I work for Japan company Sony, I am making only CEO, Sony CEO rich more. If I work in Amirpet, how many families is settling in the life? One student got job means 3 generations are get settled. 3 generations become minimum 3 generations become rich. Number 1, parents. Number 2, you. Number 3, your children. If your children are also studying good and getting job, the next 3 generations will become. See, look at that chain, 3 chain. Chiranjeevi told in one movie. Muggari help chey, muggari help chey, right? Now I am doing my job. My brother did his job. My brother has studied very hard and got job, and my parents, he and me, all 3 people get settled well. And now I also working very hard. My parents again, me and my children again become what? Settle well. So what I realized, if I give my services to one software company, only that company CEO and me are becoming rich, becoming settled. But I realized that I came to this world not for working for one person, working for these many people. So these many families. So I am here to serve the society, not to serve to my family or to serve to one company. I realized it and I quit development and I come to fully teaching. I learned development fully, what I need to develop in company, how to develop projects, what type of mindset I require. Fully I learned. And I'm not enjoying the development because what I required, the development knowledge already again. But further, I'm not enjoying. I'm not feeling, to be stay there. I'm missing what? My students, I'm missing my lecture, I'm missing my teaching. Then slowly I come back to the teaching development, both I'm doing. One day, my friend, okay, my friend is Mr. Arun, okay? He also come along with me to the classes. One day he come to see how I am teaching. Morning to evening, when you work in software company, you are using too much of your brain. So you got feel tired. By evening, generally, when he is talking to me, I say, okay, Mama, tomorrow we'll meet. But once I come on to the dais at 6 o'clock, up to 9, I used to take 2 batches. He was sitting there in the batches and started observing me. Full energy I got like booster, okay, and started teaching with the full energy. By 9 o'clock also, I have smile on my face. Then he realized one day and told, Arey, Hari, in company, I never see this much energetic, but in teaching on dais, I seen so much energetic. Why? Where is the difference? Okay, then I realized, okay, now I am not suitable for development. My life is suitable for teaching. Then quit and I come to fully teaching. If I am now in the development, definitely I would be in the USA with my friends, not this USA, that USA. Okay, my friends are earning salary, what I am earning, more than 4 times more than my salary they are earning. Always my friend Arun called me every weekend. Era, still you didn't get bored with the teaching? No, because it's my passion. Na? When you feel something your passion, then you never feel bored because every day you'll feel new. I said, yeah, and we are so close. He scolded me like anything. Worst fellow. Still you are continuing there on. You are working there for 12 hours. Morning 7 to night 9, I'll keep on work. 12 hours almost you are working. Here if you come, just 5 hours only you have to work. You will have personal life, family life and rich life. You working there like a slave. Come on, quit. Okay, next year I'll come to USA. Every year when H1B visa processing time, he will call. Era, shall I process H1B? Yeah, next year we will try. Okay. So my passion is teaching. So I am enjoying a lot in my teaching. So if you also wanted to enjoy your life, I am ready to help you. If you also settle your life, only one person, sir, only one, you work hard, then your entire family tree will become rich. Real, I'm telling, because I experienced with my family. Okay. Now we are better than, previous, my parents generation to our children, my generation, we are better. And my children's generation definitely will be better than my generation. It's only one person hard work, my brother hard work. My brother, one person got job, entire our family status got changed. So take it serious, Nana. You are in Hyderabad in the hostel, not for time pass, not for lay down on the bed, and not for just moving your Instagram reels and YouTube shorts. So if you find 5 minutes of free time also, if you want to watch Instagram reels, no problem, go. But search for what? Java reels, Java definition. Today, what I learned? Different types of application, different types of Java applications. Go to reels, search for that. First priority to today class revision. After today class revision completed, you find free time. Then enjoy your life with reels and YouTube, whatever you want. I don't say don't have entertainment. Entertainment time you have to fix this time to this time. Remaining time, I have to work hard for my Java. First priority to Java. How many months you have to work hard? 3 months. 6 months? No, 3 months. Only for core Java you have to work hard these 3 months. Core Java, Oracle, HTML. Only 3 courses you have to learn very hard depth. Remaining all courses are top of them, na? Just listen, ante. Advanced Java, just you need to listen, no need to practice. Spring, just you need to listen, no need to practice. Okay, only core Java, Oracle, HTML. These three courses you have to work hard, study, compulsory you have to buy hard. After going through them, yesterday I told you what is compile time error, what is runtime error, what is compiler, what is JVM. You have to buy hard the sentences and you have to remember, because core Java, Oracle, HTML are languages. You are learning new words, new terminology, new grammar. You will learn only by speaking. Advanced Java, statements, paragraph, what you learn? Nothing, only study. Learning will be only in core Java, Oracle, HTML. Nicely, students are ignoring learning these three and spending hard work on advanced Java. What you'll get? Nothing. You will feel advanced Java very tough. Spring more tough. So change your mind and tell me now, what is a Java? JVM? JVM is a platform. And tell me, what is JVM? It is a translation software. It is running Java bytecode. Is it running Java bytecode by directly? No. With the help of OS. Why OS required? Where I started there and I come to lot of distance. Now I got on-site opportunity to go to Japan. When I go to Japan, I can speak only in English, but they cannot understand my English. I have to translate English to. Tell me, Telugu to. My brain know only what? Telugu. I converted Telugu to English. English to Japanese. Tell me, do I know how to convert to Japanese? No. In my brain, Telugu there. My mouth translated to English. What came out? English. Then I need someone to translate this English to Japanese. Who is the translator? One person required, broker. In Japan, I hired one person who can translate English to Japanese. Then I done my job there. After 1 month, I got one more client from China. Ejum. I don't have a client in China. Ejum, I got one more client in China. Can I go to China for work with my client in China? Yes. But what language they know? Chinese. What language I know? Telugu, English. Can I translate Telugu to English? Yes. Can I translate English to China? No. What should I do? Again, I should hire another translator who knows English and Chinese. Are you connecting? One person given output Chinese, English, need one translator to convert to Japanese. Second translator required to convert the same output to China. Now I went to the Singapore language. Okay, France. What is the language? French. Okay, I went to the France. Okay, in the France, what language is required? French. English should convert to Chinese. Okay, Japanese, then Chinese, then French. For that, I need a translator. Now this translator, one translator, three different translators. All three different translators should know which language? English. And their own individual. Are you catching my point? Japanese is Windows operating system. Japan is Windows operating system. China is, come on, guess, Linux. France is Mac OS. Now our our English is nothing but Andhra, Telangana. Okay. So I have born and brought up in which part of in this world? Least bother. Where I am going and working? Least bother. Because I know common language and I have translator to convert this common language so that I become platform dependent or platform independent. So tell me, if you want to make your program platform independent, what we require? Number one, common language. Number two, translator. So what is the common language of Java? Bytecode. What is the translator? JVM. Do we have JVM for every operating system? Yes. All operating system JVM taking same code called what? Bytecode. JVM there in Windows operating system take the bytecode converting to machine language of Windows and asking the Windows to execute. Same bytecode is taking by JVM translating into Linux machine language asking the Linux to execute. Are you following? Same bytecode is giving to whom now? Mac OS JVM. Mac OS JVM converting to Mac machine language and then executing what? Mac by Mac OS. So tell me, how Java achieved platform independency? In Java, programs are not in Java. Programs are not compiled directly into machine language of the operating system. They are translating into whom? Bytecode, which is the common language of all operating system. Further, the bytecode is converted into machine language of a particular operating system and executed. Java achieved platform independency because of two things. Number one, bytecode. Number two, JVM. In Java, Java program is not compiled targeting to one OS. It is compiled into bytecode, which is an intermediate language of all operating system. Further, it is translated into machine language of particular OS by JVM. So finally, tell me, what is JVM? JVM is a Java platform. Java platform means runtime environment. Java platform, it is a translation software. Translation software. It is responsible for running Java bytecode by converting it into current OS machine language. Current OS machine language. Tell me now, what is the purpose of JVM? When C and C++ language doesn't have JVM, why Java need JVM? JVM is meant for achieving platform independency. JVM is meant for achieving platform independency. Java, okay, 1 minute. We have separate JVM for every OS. We have separate JVM for every OS for running the same bytecode specific to each OS separately. Hence, the same Java compiled code can be executed in every OS. Hence, we can say you can sit anywhere. This is your room. No restrictions. Not next to your lover. Okay, no? If you have a lover in the class, you should sit separately. Last batch, when lovers came to the class, they want to sit next together. There was a fighting with admin. What is your problem? You are in which year? It is a 2024. Okay. You are thinking like a old people. Oh, namaskaram, Babu. This is not a park, Babu. So we convinced him a lot. Finally, he agreed. Okay, chalo, don't cry. You know the beauty? Finally, they didn't take admission to my class. Okay. Please add by JVM. In every OS by JVM. Hence, we can say Java is platform independent language. Make it fast, Nana. Can you visualize the diagram? Below diagram shows Java platform independency. Everyone completed up to here? Online students, are you writing or acting? If you don't write, you are the loser, not me. So don't be a lazy person. Tell me, I am taking which operating system computer? Any OS. You are compiling, na? Compile in any OS, execute in any OS. That is the Java plus slogan, no? Compile in any OS, execute in any OS. I'm choosing, don't write, wait a minute. Choose any OS, I least bother. Any OS, okay, nice. In this OS, I develop one Java program called abc.java. Don't write abc.java. Now, tell me, what is the logic in abc.java? Least bother. Maybe printing your name, adding, subtracting, one bank big project, or book ticket project, anything. Okay. Now this is a source code. Na? This is source code file. I have to give to whom now? Compiler. So compiler software. Don't write. Listen first. I'll give time. I gave this abc.java file to compiler. Then compiler software will generate dot class file. abc.class. Tell me, inside this abc.class, what is there? Machine language code or byte code? Byte code. Baba red shirt. Yes, no. You only. Red t-shirt. What are you doing? Nothing. Then why are you in the class? Why are you in the class? When you do nothing, why are you in the class? Is today first class to you? And then what is the problem? Not feeling well? Feeling okay? And then why you are not listening? I'm asking question, reply of Hami. Not understanding or not feeling to listen. Understanding, not feeling to listen. Then I'm writing some diagram here and you're looking downwards, sitting like this. Then you miss the point, no? If you are feeling something, let me know. Everything good? Okay, look at the screen. When you are not listening, immediately I'll get the notification. I told you, no, wherever you sit, whatever you do, immediately get to your mind. Your mind will be disconnected to my mind. I look at you. So please don't feel that it is a college. It is a college. I can do whatever I want. I can sit however I want. Torture will be there if you don't listen the class properly. Okay. You are here for learning. I am working not for you. I am working for your parents. Understood? If you get a job, your parents 22 years of investment will get result. Are they doing investment on you for last 22 years? From the day, not from the day you born. From the day your mother conceived you, from that day onwards, there is an investment on you. Correct? So, lot of investment has done on you, and your parents are expecting result from you. The result for your parents' purpose or for your purpose? When you get a job, your parents are feel so happy because they no need to give money from tomorrow. No. Now they feel happy. Now my son become individual. My daughter become individual. They can earn their money. They can lead their life by their own without my help. And when you get job, will they ask a single rupee from you? Never. Even if you're ready to give also, they look at, Ora, I don't want your money, get out. You save your money, invest your money, spend your money, settle yourself. So Nana, I am here to working for your parents. I want to give success to your parents with your job. When you are not listening, when you are not studying, definitely I will torture you. No doubt in that. I will question you why you are not listening. What is your problem? Okay, na? Definitely, I don't feel, Ammo, the student may feel bad. Tomorrow onwards may not come. He may not refer his juniors to my class. I don't care. Okay. So your juniors, you are like-minded people. If you are a lazy person, your juniors also lazy. Why I want lazy people in my class? When you stop coming, I'll be so happy. So that your next level juniors also will not come. Lazy people will not come. Only active people will come. They will get success. I will also get success. My fundamental theory is very, very simple. I want successful people in the class. Who want a job, they only should be there in the class. That's what my intention. So if I question you, if you feel I'm troubling, that is your mistake. So don't be lazy in the class. Be active, listen, and answer to my questions. Okay, na? Tell me now. abc.java is a source file. abc.java is called source file. Compiler is generating compiled code. What is a compiled code? Translated code. What is that compiled code? abc.class. abc.class. Repeating again. abc.java file is a source code given to compiler. Compiler convert the source code to bytecode, save in .class file. I am not talking about the file name. I am talking about only extension. Okay, now tell me, this .class file contains what? Bytecode. Now you have to run this bytecode now. Where you are planning to run this bytecode? In any computer, right? But I have to decide in which OS you want to execute. I can compile in any OS because the output is a machine language specific to one OS or common code to all OS. Common code to all OS. So that's why compilation time, development time, compilation time, I no need to worry about OS. But execution is specific to one OS. Tell me, I am going to which country? Japan. Then I have to find a mediator, translator, Japanese, right? Specific to Japanese, I have to find. So, in which OS you want to execute? Windows. Okay, Windows. When I take Windows, tell me, into Windows, I am taking this abc.class file. I downloaded abc.class file here. Samajh mein aaya? Then, now I am giving this abc.class file to whom now? JVM. Am I right? Now the JVM, what is doing? It generates what? Machine language code. Can I write ML? Machine language for which operating system? Windows. Then Windows executes our program, produces output. Understand everyone? Can you please help me to understand now? Same code. Can I bring it to Linux computer? Yeah. Linux? Tell me, here we are bringing different program or same program? abc.class, same compiled code. That same compiled code we are giving to whom now? JVM. Wonderful. What JVM will do now? Generates machine language for Linux. Okay, in place of for generate of machine language of Linux, machine language of Windows. Then which operating system? Linux executes our program, produce output. Why should I type again? Get up. Copy paste. Do smart work. Understood? Next tell me. I am going to next OS. What is that next OS? Mac OS. Mac OS. General people call it as Mac OS. Then tell me. Here also we are downloading same program abc dot class. Tell me. Now abc dot class we are giving to whom now? JVM. What JVM is doing? Generates machine language of Mac. Wonderful. What it will do? Mac OS executes our program and produce out. Understood how Java achieved platform independency? How Java achieved platform independency? Don't write. To achieve platform independency, unlike in C and C++, in Java language program not compiled, targeting to OS. And in source code also, we don't write any statement specific to one OS. In Java, compiled code, compiled code doesn't have. In Java, compiled code doesn't contain machine language. Instead, it contains an intermediate code called bytecode, which is not understandable to human and also to OS. It is JVM understandable code. Next, while execution, the Java compiled code bytecode, JVM converts into let me write here, while execution, JVM converts the Java compiled code bytecode into current OS specific machine language and it executes it in a platform independent way. Next, if you want to execute, it should be available in every OS. Because we have JVM for every OS to run the same compiled code in all operating system, Java program become platform independent, means Java program supports Vara. Vara means write once, run anywhere. To achieve platform independence compared to C, in Java, machine language generation is moved from compilation phase to, okay, take these points not required, light. Java program development, compilation, execution procedure. In the Java programming language, all source code is first written in plain text files ending with .java extension. Those source files are then compiled into .class files by the Java C compiler. A .class files doesn't contain code that is native to your processor. It instead contains bytecode, the native language of Java virtual machine. The Java launcher tool then runs your application with an instance and one copy of Java virtual machine. This is the diagram. My program, this is the source code given to compiler. Compiler is crushing. Do you know sugarcane machine? When you give sugar cane, crushing and converting into sugar cane juice, no? This is a sugar cane and given to compiler, crushing and giving to juice. Juice is nothing but bytecode. The bytecode we give to Java virtual machine. Java virtual machine converting into zeros and ones. Zeros and ones nothing but machine language. And given to my program nothing but program nothing but OS to the OS and give the output. This is the diagram for platform independency. Look at that abc.java given to compiler. Compiler generates what? abc.class file which contains bytecode. Same abc.class file we take into Windows. Same to okay. Let me write it in a different way so that you'll get feeling. Yeah. Can you write this diagram? Right. 1 second. Tell me, in which OS are you compiling this program? Any OS. So tell me, now the compiler is specific to particular OS or common to all software, I mean all OS? All OS. So it is called Java compiler. Then is this JVM same for all operating system or three different JVMs? Why? This is JVM should work for Windows. This JVM should work for Linux. This JVM should work for Solaris. Right on this. This is Windows JVM, Linux JVM, Solaris JVM. Same diagram I typed there, but this representation is diagrammatic representation. Jyoti, what is the problem? Yeah, Dushmant Kumar Pradhan. Yeah, you are removing from this class, buddy. You can talk to the admin. And people whoever replied yes, 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 1 minute, let me remove all them. Give me 1 minute. One second, guys. Dushmant Kumar Pradhan, removing from the class. Talk to admin. Next, other students, whoever replied yes, so okay. Lakshmi, I am removing you from the class. Talk to admin. Next, I clearly told you, don't show your talent. When you are showing your talent, I will show my talent, na? Okay. Vena, Veena, Prasanna, sure. Wow, super. Uh, uh. Anukar, do you know him? You share your number also to him. Do you know him? Day anybody coming to your house and asking you to invite for something, you will go with them, Alan. Huh? You will go to there and then blindly believe them like gorrelu. Sheeps. How they will go. Like that, you will bend your head and go along with them. Is he admin of your class? Such a worst-minded, mindless people you are. Whoever asking your details, you are providing your details. Who is 89153017664? 89153017664. Who is that? Reply in chat window, otherwise I'll remove you from the class. Yeah, Harishankar, why did you come to this batch again? Every batch, why you are joining? So I'll talk to admin and I'll terminate you from this batch. He is my old student. Every batch is coming. Online students, again, I'm telling you, don't encourage anyone to create groups. There is a lot of problems we are facing with the groups. There is a lot of safety is missing. Group creating and says, going for a private chat. Hi, baby. Huh? Did I call your name? Iyengar? Did I call your Then why you are tension? Okay. Ah, don't get tension, mama. Mohana, you want to execute different programs, sir? Same program in different operating systems, sir. Mohana Kesavalu. That's why I'm giving same program. If you want to run subtraction program, then you give subtraction program, division program. That's why I taken class name as what? ABC. Clear? Please write down all, guys. Completed already? Everyone done? Shall I proceed next points? Down you write. Online students, be careful with the people who are asking you to come to join this group, that group. They will misuse your details. Okay. I know everything. I will create everything. When to create group, when to add you to the group, when to create Google Classroom. Everything I will give you information. Clear? So don't be trapped by the other people. Yeah, please write down these 3 points. Why 2 time compiled? Ahmad. Runtime is why compiled. Compilation means verifying the syntaxes. Verify syntaxes, convert it to the new code and save in the system. That is called compilation. Execution means no syntax verification. Yeah, I will tell you all the points. Sami, I'll explain. Suryavardhana Porai. Where did I share Telegram link previously? I didn't create any Telegram group. Completed? While writing notes, don't read word by word, read sentence by sentence. I'll be very strict for the people who are not studying and doing some wrong with other students. Okay. As long as you are here for gaining the subject, helping each other, respecting each other, I'll be so friendly with you. Clear my point? So whatever you want, I am ready to provide you everything. But when you are not respectful to others, when you are misusing the freedom, definitely I will strict on that point. Okay. So that time don't get angry on me. Don't do mistake, don't get punishment. Now write this diagram so that you'll get more clarity. Yeah. For both offline students and online students, we have created separate Google Classroom. For offline students separately, online students separately. Okay. We will add you to the offline online classrooms separately. Admin will add. Clear my point? Point number one. Point number two. And in the Google Classroom, I will share daily material. I will upload daily material. Okay. Today notes today, tomorrow notes tomorrow, daily I will upload. Sometimes I may give you running notes in the class, or sometimes I'll completely explain and I'll share you the notes in the Google Classroom. When I don't give the time to write notes in the class, after going to room, compulsory you should fire all the slides into your notebook. Understood? You should not leave that space empty for future to write. Remember, later becomes never. If you don't work today, tomorrow you cannot work, because tomorrow another work is coming. Na? So today work, today only you have to complete. Next, you no need to download any slide or any program, anything from the Google Classroom to your system, because this Google Classroom will be there forever. As long as Google company will be there, that many days this Google Classroom will be there. I don't remove it. I don't remove the material. Material will be there forever. It's like a slideshow. Okay. When you want to study which chapter, you can go directly to the chapter, open the slides, and you can read. Understand? I will upload like a image slides so that it is easy for you to run even in your mobile also. Clear my point? No need to download. Don't waste the space in your mobile and your system hard disk. So just happily you can play it and you can watch and read everything. But remember, Google Classroom will be only for future reference purpose, not for learning. So you have to learn everything from your notes. Every point I am sharing in the Google Classroom, you have to fade in your notes and you have to refer your notes. Notes is very important. What you write, only your brain can remember. What I am writing, only I can remember. You cannot remember. Okay, that's why notes is very important. Come and make it fast. Slowly you are writing. Yeah, Karthik Kumar, I will go just a minute. Completed? Okay. Today, as an assignment, I will give you one video. I want you watch at home. It's a entry questions. Okay. Video when I'm giving, that is not regular class. That is extra knowledge. Okay, na? Everyone. Shall I share some extra knowledge? Extra knowledge purpose, I will share some videos. After going to home, if you find free time, you can watch. Videos are extra knowledge. First, you have to practice current class topic. Current class topic you have to complete. Then also spend more time for extra knowledge. If you feel, no sir, I don't want any extra knowledge, don't watch. Understand my point? That is not regular class content, extra knowledge content purpose, interview preparation purpose. I am sharing you the some more material, notes and videos and everything. If you are interested, study extra content, watch extra video. Do you need to pay any extra money? No extra money, free. Okay, now free of cost. I am sharing extra knowledge. You can watch it and enjoy it. Okay. Okay, done. Now let me go to the next topic in JVM. Come back. Now tell me, what happened when we run this diagram? Understood now? Now next point. Observe. What happened when we run Java command? Suppose I'm running Java space edition Java space edition. This is the code I have run. Some edition program I'm running. Then what will happen here? Java edition. What happened? Mithali, what is the problem? Tell me. You are excused. First point, listen carefully. Here, how many programs are running? Number one, Java. Number two, edition. First, edition should execute or Java should execute? Java should execute, then edition. Mithali, are you not listening what I'm saying? Only you listen Google Classroom. Before and after what I talk, you didn't listen? That's the problem with online students. Half of they will listen, half of they don't listen. Or is it my English problem? I said admin will add you to Google Classroom. Then why you are asking me? First point. Java command starts JVM as one process. Don't write, listen. Very important. The Java command, here use what? First command Java. The Java command starts JVM as one process. Everyone look at here. You know, today topic is very important. Please everyone focus. Control Shift Del, Task Manager. In Task Manager, you have process na? This is process. Zoom meetings, first process. This is one application. For every software you are running, one process. Can you see here processes? What the processes? One process create for Zoom meeting, one process create for Windows Explorer, one process create for Task Manager, Google Chrome, Feedback Hub. Why you started? Click, close, end task. Edit plus. So for each one you started will be create one process. Observe here. When I run VLC media player I started. Okay, when I start VLC media player, observe VLC media process added or none. Any program or any software you run in your system, one process is created. Let me show you. This is our JVM. Here I am running Java edition. When I run Java edition, you have already compiled na? Java C edition.java. You have already compiled, and when you already compiled background, what happened? Dot class file is created. Dot class file is created. Edition.class already there. When you run Java edition, this is our operating system. This is operating system. I'm writing rough diagram. Main diagram I will give in the separate class. Okay, JVM architecture, separate chapter is there. Here only I'm explaining basic understanding purpose. Okay. Now this is our operating system. Which operating system? Which operating system? Any operating system. Nice understanding. Super. then this operating system is already controlling hard disk or not? Who will monitor hard disk? Operating system. So operating system is managing hard disk. In hard disk, already we have edition.java file. After compilation, we got edition.class. Edition.java, edition.class. Okay, now when you run Java edition, tell me what happened. JVM is started as one process. JVM is started as one process. And this is JVM started as one process by occupying some memory from where? RAM. All programs are executed where? Inside RAM. So JVM started as a one process by occupying some memory from RAM. This is step number 1. All the people understand? Step number 2. Tell me, what is the responsibility of JVM? JVM is responsible for running the given class. What the class? Edition. Tell me, currently is edition class available inside JVM memory? This is JVM memory, na? Is it available in JVM memory? No. Can it execute or cannot execute? Cannot execute. If you want to execute Java program by JVM, the Java bytecode must be loaded into JVM memory, na? So tell me, what is the first step happen inside Java program execution? Is JVM straight away running the program? No. The first step, what happened here? Loading. First step, what happened? Loading. First step, loading. After loading, is Java program directly executed? No. Java program may contain some malicious code, some virus also, na? Java program meant for developing standalone applications or internet application? Standalone application. Basically Java program is developed for supporting internet application. Then Java programs are downloading from the internet into your system, loading into JVM memory. After loading into JVM memory, there may be a chance that it may contain some malicious code, na? Malicious code and a wrong code, some corrupted code. If you run that virus code, then the virus is spread entire your computer. All your files will be corrupted. That's why JVM will not execute Java program directly. It will go to some phase called what? Verification. What phase? Verification. Verify. Loading, verifying. Verifying. So first it is loaded. Bytecode is loaded into JVM. After bytecode loading, JVM verifies the loaded bytecode valid or not. If the loaded bytecode is not valid, then it will throw error. Error or exception? JVM throwing errors are runtime errors. Runtime errors are called exception. It will throw exception. Everyone understand second step? Tell me again. When you run Java edition, first step what happened? JVM is started as a process by occupying some memory from RAM. Step number 2. JVM search for edition.class file in the hard disk. Found. If found, then it load the .class file into JVM. After loading, third step, it verifies the loaded bytecode valid or not. If valid, then execution will be started. If not valid, it will throw exception. Okay, assume it is valid. If it is valid, then execution started. Listen carefully. Java program execution, machine language or bytecode? JVM taking bytecode or machine language code? Bytecode. Is bytecode directly can be executed? No. It has to translate it into machine language code. All people are involving? Tell me. Bytecode should be translated into machine language. Complete code at a time or line by line? You are in compilation phase or running phase? In running, line by line should execute, na? First line taken, converted to machine language, executed. Go to next line, converted to machine language, executed. Go to third line, converted to machine language, executed. Like that, all lines are executed. Everyone accepted? So tell me, JVM executes a program, all lines at a time or line by line? Line by line. When it is executed a line by line, tell me, which translator I required? Compiler or interpreter? There are two translation softwares are there. Number one, compiler. Number two, interpreter. Entire code at a time I want to translate, save. Don't want to execute. I don't want to execute. Translate and save in the hard disk. Then which translator I have to use? Compiler. Are you answering or listening? Don't listen. Listen days are over. Golden days college. Okay, in college you will listen, listen, again listen, and finally forget. Okay, now here you are not allowed to just listen. Listen, reply, then you will remember. Listen, reply, remember. Then you can go and apply in the system. So when you not remember, you cannot apply. That is a problem. So come on, everyone. So how many steps are there in Java program execution? Number one, JVM created as a process by occupying memory from RAM. Step number two, JVM search for the given class dot class file in hard disk. If found, loaded into JVM. What is loaded? Dot class file loaded up, byte code available in dot class file. Byte code available in the dot class file is loaded into JVM. After loading, then verifying the loaded byte code valid or not, any malicious code is there. If any malicious code or virus is there, then it will throw exception. If no malicious code is there, then it is going for what? Execution. And tell me, execution will go all lines at a time or line by line? After execution completed, is anything saving the system? No, nothing is saved. Directly executed and machine language is destroyed. No file, extra file is not creating. Then which translator software I have to use? Interpreter. So tell me, how many translation softwares we are using in the program? Two. Number one, compiler, interpreter. Compiler responsible for translate and save. Interpreter responsible translate and run. No saving, no saving. So finally tell me, compiler will be used in the compilation phase. Interpreter will be used in a execution phase. So interpreter translation is called interpreting. It's not called execution. We call it as what? Interpreting. Interpretation or interpreting. So first loading, next one is what? Verifying, and next one is what? Interpreting. Spelling wise correct or wrong, check in Google. Sometimes I'll forget spellings. Okay. It's not English class, no? Don't worry about spellings. Now tell me. Now this after interpretation, what you will get output? Come on. After interpretation, what will be coming output from the interpreter? Output of machine language? No, machine language. What is coming out as? Machine language you will get output. Interpreter generate machine language. Then that machine language we are giving to whom? OS. That's what you learn platform independency diagram. Now the OS executes. Now OS executes this machine language. OS executes. This circle is what? Executes and giving you output. Addition result all you will get. Everyone understand how many steps happen background? Can you please tell me the step numbers now? Step number one, JVM is created as a process by occupying some memory from RAM. Step number two, loads the class byte code into JVM. Step number three, verifies the loaded byte code valid or not. Step number four, interprets the given byte code, converts to machine language, and then executed and produces output and display on console. So totally how many steps are there? 7. Can I expect everyone understand? Okay. Who teaches core Java in Naresh IT? Naresh sir. Who teaches Oracle in Naresh IT? Naresh sir. Who teach HTML in Naresh IT? Naresh sir. Kada? Institute is Naresh. Okay, that's why everything is teaching by Naresh, sir. No, Naresh sir is just a manager. He's a MD. He's just managing everything happening in the Naresh IT. Then, who is taking the responsibility of teaching core Java, Oracle, HTML? Individual workers, individual employees or faculties, right? Same way, tell me, JVM is a big software. It is a contains different components inside. Different components, small programs are there inside. And tell me now, who teach core Java? Core Java faculty. Okay. Who teach Oracle? Oracle faculty. Okay. Who teach Advanced Java? Advanced Java faculty. Tell me, who teach? Teacher. Who listen? Listener. Who load? Super. Wonderful. Tell me, for loading purpose, for performing this loading operation, for loading purpose, inside JVM, we have one special program. What the name of that program name? Bro, yesterday, for printing purpose, you have created one class called printer. Na? What you want to print? Number or name? Name. That's what the name of the class? Name printer. Tell me. Now, for performing loading operation inside JVM software, we have one class. Everything in Java is what? Class, na? Every program is what? Class. Come on, tell me. So, inside JVM, we have one special program for loading purpose. What the name of that class? Loader. What it is loading? Class. So, what the name of the class? Yes, super marvelous. You got flow vachesindi. Okay, full flow you got. And tell me, what this program is called? Class loader. Inside JVM, inside JVM, we have a special program called what? Class loader. Tell me, interview will ask a question. Who will load class into JVM? Answer is JVM. Answer is JVM? No. Answer is class loader. Nice. So class loader is responsible for loading class into JVM. Okay. Next question. Who will verify? Okay. There is a program called what? Verifier. There is a program called verifier. What it is verifying? Class jamana over. Class coming, class bytecode coming. What it is verifying? So what is the name of the class? Bytecode verifier. So inside JVM, we have one special program to verify the bytecode. The name of the program is what? Bytecode verifier. This new version Windows 11 Paint torturing like any. Bytecode verifier. Super. Little difficult, okay? But the names you have to remember. Actually, I don't teach JVM architecture at this level. If I don't teach some points missing in the going on class, that's why little bit introduction only I'm giving, not full introduction, okay? Next one. Tell me now. Who is there next up? Interpreting. Who will interpret? Interpreter. Interpreter plus one more person there, JIT compiler. Java C compiler different, JIT compiler different. This is just in time compiler. And also one more program there, security manager. So totally how many programs are working together? 3 programs. For interpreting, actual program is what? Interpreter. Interpreter is slow in execution. For speed, it is taking help of what? JIT compiler. Interpreter is accessing one program. That program must have permission to access. That permission there or not will be verified by security manager. Okay. So every point I'll explain you detailed way in the coming classes. Don't worry. At this minute, this much knowledge is sufficient. So tell me, Java program execution comes under how many phases? 7 steps. Totally how many steps are there? 7 steps are there. Java program execution comes under 7 steps. Step number 1, JVM is started as a process by occupying memory in RAM. Then JVM search for the given class dot class file in the hard disk. If not found, it will throw exception. If found, it loads the class bytecode into JVM with the help of class loader. Next, third step. After loading class, it verifies the loaded bytecode valid or not with the help of bytecode verifier. If there is any malicious code, immediately it will throw exception, terminate the program execution. Tell me, Java is a secure or Java is the most secured programming language because of there is a full level of verification. If there are no malicious code, then it allows next level interpreting. By a JVM interprets the bytecode converted into machine language with the help of interpreter and JIT compiler. Then machine language is executed by current OS, produces output and gives us print the output on the console. So these are total 7 steps are there. Java program compilation, Java program execution. Hope you all understand now. So tell me, basically, if you avoid the external story in the execution, totally how many steps are there? 3. Number 1, loading, verifying, interpreting. Okay, listen. This loading is called loading. Verifying is also called linking. What we call linking. Loading, linking, interpret. You can call it as a verify or linking, anything is okay. As of now, at this stage, we want to call it as only verify. If anybody person say that, it is not verify or linking, then say both are same or synonyms. Okay, na? Interpreting is interpreting. Comfortable? Huh? Right. Write this diagram first. Have written the question. What happened when you run Java command? Write on this question first. What will happen when we run Java command? Or you can also write basic JVM architecture. Or you can say basic place overview. Overview JVM architecture. Completed a question? Write on this diagram. Is it visible? Okay, one second. Which diagram more visible to you? You can use the diagram. Yeah, which one is comfortable? Previous one, this one. Only step numbers are not there. Both are same. Right. Both are same. Only step numbers are not there. Right, and this some colors are there. Don't write Windows OS, any OS. Machine language executed by JVM with the help of OS and produces output. I will tell you. Write down as it is. I will tell you. Here written Windows or just OS? Okay, any OS you can. Same thing happen in every OS. Yeah, online students when completed, no need to reply. If class loader unable to find the class to load, then it will throw RE. RE means runtime error, exception. Okay, CNFE, class not found exception. CFE, class format error. Don't worry, I will explain it then. Just hold it. Okay. What is the name of the exceptions? You no need to remember at this stage. Just only one point should have in your mind. Exception coming. And then just written shortcuts here. Yeah, I will post the steps here. 7 steps are there now. All steps I will post in our Google Classroom. You can write there. Okay, now. Also, I will upload one more small diagram. Look at this diagram. Completed this one, offline students. So you should improve your writing skills. Slowly writing word by word, letter by letter. Totally program compilation, execution, develop, compile, execution comes under 5 phases. These are the 5 phases. Conclusion of our first chapter. Develop, compile, execute a Java program comes under 5 steps. Step number 1, editing. Editing ante not our movies editing. Editing and typing, okay? In editor, you will do editing or typing. Next, compiling, then execution. Execution is 1 step or 3 steps? 3 steps. First loading, then verifying, then interpreting. First, in editing phase, you will type the program, save with .java extension wherein hard disk. This is a hard disk, in hard disk, okay? Second step, compiling. You will compile the .java file with Java C compiler and you got what? .class file. Okay, now .class file, .java file, both are in a same folder. Then you are executing by using which command? Java class name. Then JVM is started, JVM phases. JVM is started. This dabba, this rectangle box is nothing but JVM. Oh, sir, in the previous diagram written circle. Now you are writing a box. I'm confusing, sir. It's okay, Baba, diagram point of view. Because operating system is a circle, so I written there what? Circle. Understood? So there is no shape to the JVM. In which shape you want to use it, accordingly, it's like a water. If you move water from one container to another container, changing its shape, like that. Now this is JVM. When I run Java command, JVM dabba started. Then in the dabba, JVM phases are there. How many phases? 3. First loading. In loading phase, who is working? Class loader. Class loader searching for a .class file in a hard disk. The same hard disk it is taking. Searching for .class file in hard disk. Found. Reading that arrow mark up. Reading the bytecode and storing inside JVM. Sir, what is this method area, sir? In JVM, the place where Java programs are stored is called what? Method area. Are you following my point? Tell me. Now you come to this building. This building name is what? Knacker. Knacker building. In Knacker building, where you are sitting in? First floor. That first floor is nothing but method area. Okay, no? So in JVM, we have different places are there. One of the places is what? Method area. Read the bytecode, store inside method area. If a .class file is not found, it will throw exception. Next, if the loaded bytecode found loaded, next step is what? Verifying. Who will come to the picture? Bytecode verifier. With the help of bytecode verifier, it will verify the bytecode stored inside the method area. If found valid, it will continue for interpretation. Otherwise, it will throw exception. Then next step is what? Interpreting. Interpreting in the interpretation phase, interpreter read the bytecode from the method area, converts to machine language, executed, display, output. So totally Java program development, compilation, execution comes under how many phases? 5 phases. First one, editing or developing or typing, you can say typing. Next, okay, do one thing, type and save. Next, compile. Next, execute, loading, verify, interrupt. Understood? Now tell me, now onwards, whenever you type Java C, will you visualize the dot class file storing in the hard disk? Whenever you type Java, will you visualize hard disk coming into JVM? In a compilation, it is going into hard disk. In execution, is coming from hard disk into JVM. You should visualize in your command prompt. You have to visualize. JVM is created into JVM. Bytecode is loaded, verified, execution going on, converting to machine language, running, and output is displayed on the console. All 5 phases your mind should be able to visualize. Everyone understood? So today onwards, you have to follow sincerely this diagram, final diagram. Okay, I'm going to share 2 diagrams. Already you have written 1 diagram. The diagram notes following by this diagram plus 1 more diagram is there. I will share all 2 diagrams. You copy into your notes and come tomorrow. Okay, now offline students, you wait. Yeah, online students, everyone understood? Any questions? Yeah, observe here. I have created Google Classroom already. I created a folder called Introduction to Java. Currently it is empty. I will upload the material here. Okay. You will get material here. So where you can find in your Google Classroom, you click on what? Classwork. If you click on classwork, Papu Pandey, for what purpose you want admin respond? What did I say? Do you know English? Did I ask you to send message to the admin? Why are you showing your extra talent? I said admin will add you. Why you are calling admin? Listen carefully. Admin will add you. You no need to ping him. Don't add extra masala to your mind, Rabab. Admin will add you. Okay. If admin by evening, if you are not in Google Classroom, send message to me. Online students, everyone. If you are not there in the Google Classroom, if you didn't, how can you know the Google Classroom you added or not? Open your email. Afternoon, after 3 p.m. After 3 p.m., open your email. You will have invitation. You will have invitation in your email. Click on that invitation and join. If you didn't receive the invitation to your inbox, then after 3 p.m., send a message to me. Is it clear? Not to admin, send message to me. Okay. Once you are added, you will see 2 folders in the classwork. Open classwork. Here you will find 2 folders. What are the 2 folders? Introduction to Java, chapter 1, chapter 2, comments. Currently it is empty. I will add the content in the afternoon. Now I am busy with other classes. Okay. Thank you. That's all for today class. I'm stopped the session. Extra videos, extra content, everything I will share in the Google Classroom only. Okay. Online students, bye. See you tomorrow.